Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic. What I got here today in my shed. A Suzuki Bandit 600. This bike has been standing still for over 2 years. And it starts, but according to the owner, it runs on only 2 cylinders. So I told him to get all the old petrol out and put brand new fresh petrol in. And now the battery was flat. So guys, now I'm gonna open the door. I charged the battery, so hopefully there is enough into it. And I'm gonna start and see which cylinders are running and which are not. Come on over and we start. Now I'm gonna open the door. Hello world. Now. So, guys, let's see. Run. Nothing happens. Battery dead. Now guys, over here I have a battery. I'm not sure if it's fully loaded, charged, but we're gonna find out. First, oops, the minus on the minus or the negative, then always be careful. Over here is the frame. So be sure to cover the frame. So, then we have the positive side. I'm not sure if this. Now let's see. Okay, now we're gonna carefully. No, this was way too short. Let's give it a try again. Now be very careful. Feel, this is cold. This one is also cold. This one is warm and this one is warm. So, cylinder 3 and 4 are warm and this one, 1 and 2 isn't. Now, we're gonna see. And then we're gonna hold it like this. I zoom in, and over there you can see if the spark plug is normally should work. So guys, now we know that it's not a spark plug issue, an electrical issue, as I do think the spark plug is working. It's not defect, 2 spark plugs. So we have to get the carburetors off, and we're gonna do it, put them into the ultrasonic cleaner. Yes! Now, let's start.